destroyed like an €80 mic.
You drove over it.
Today we're back in the garage and we're going to show you the exhaust mods we've had done to the MX5. I went on an absolute buying spree recently and I bought a manifold, a link pipe for that manifold, and a Decat pipe for the MX5 to give a little bit more sound and a small bit more performance. Right, the manifold we went for is a Piper exhaust manifold, and it's a 4-2-1 manifold, and it looks way better than the stock one and much better free flowing. But that comes down and then it needs a link pipe to connect to, which we also bought. But we didn't realise that link pipe actually replaces the Decat section, so we also bought a Decat that we didn't need in the end. But we'll go ahead to the engine bay now and show you what the exhaust manifold looks like, because it actually looks awesome. Okay, so here's the manifold we went for. If you have a look in here, that's it bolted up to the engine. It's 4-to-1, so it branches off in 4, it goes down to 2, and then it turns into 1 down here. And then it connects to this link pipe we bought, which is actually a Decat pipe as well. And then we just have the stock back box. So why do we keep the stock back box? Basically because we didn't have money to buy an aftermarket one. But it actually keeps it really classy sounding. It's only slightly louder than stock, but it has that kind of old-fashioned car sound, bit of a classic sort of sound. So we actually quite like that, so we might keep it like that, because we don't want it too loud and obnoxious and raspy, so pretty happy with that. We have a bit of a flaw here. So we have an open filter on this car, it's a cone filter, and it has a small heat shielding here. But the stock manifold has heat shielding over it, which helps keep the temperatures away from here. But even with that, you're sucking in hot air. But now we've no shielding, so we're sucking in loads of hot air into the engine. So that's not good for performance. Like, bit of a surprise, later on in the year this is going completely supercharged and all of the intake system is going to change, so we don't care for now. We're going to take it for a drive now, see what you guys think of it. We really like the sound. Yeah, let's go do it. Okay, bit of a hitch there. We had this awesome mic set up on the back of the car where we had a GoPro and a proper mic to record the sound, but we took off down the road. We got around 80 kilometers an hour and it just literally flew off. And Steve was like, "Hey, that's the mic?" And I was like, "Oh, it is, yeah." So we turned around to go and get it. Turned out that was the outside bit of the mic. The actual mic was on the other side where we so happened to pull in, and we drove over the mic and completely destroyed it.
There goes Mike.
You're joking?
Yeah, I just went.
You fucking serious?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Can you turn around?
Tried to.
There's a tractor go.
Go, go, go.
I just killed the lip
Go, 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 go. Tractor, tractor. What? How? What part is that?
The mic. This is the cover.
Oh no.
You drove it over.
What do you mean? It did not fall off there.
That was the mic. It's here. It landed here. We drew
Well, what was that over there then?
the cover.
Just the cover came off.
Put it on the cover and then.
Did you know it was there?
I saw it was coming in. You just drove over because you're panicking.
You didn't tell me to stop. Right, that's the end of it. Come on. That is fucking woeful. You just destroyed like a €80 mic.
You drove over it.
You can't blame me for that. You attached it.
This has been a very expensive video. Hope you guys liked it. The MX5 sounds fantastic, I think. Hopefully you guys also like it. And we'll be back soon with plenty more MX5 videos. See ya.